So you're looking for making money with LD Player Affiliate, but you don't know how it works and you don't know what kind of strategy you can actually make to make money with LD Player. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best way how you can make money with LD Player, and I'm going to review the whole LD Player Affiliate program. Of course, guys, I created a complete free masterclass, so if you want to learn how you can make money with LD Player and also my top 3 strategies, what I personally use for getting that affiliate revenue and making thousands of dollars monthly, there is going to be a link down below in the description for my free masterclass, so you can easily sign up. And every month I share my tips and tricks and the best platforms that I personally find on that I personally find on the internet. So let's start here and let's see how it works. So when you come here, you're gonna click on affiliate and join us on the bottom right. You see that game up to 75, payouts over 5 million, game offers 200, global coverage, and you see who they are actually like targeting. Whether you are a key opinion leader, you can join our affiliate program. You will earn up to 2.5 each user who install users LD Player. And then when you're gonna have the payment information completed, then you will get also the auto payment. Now we see right here when you're gonna join to LD Player and you're gonna have the offers. So let's just log in here with the Google and I'm going to show you straight away. Okay, it's loading right now. And when I click here on offers, I can simply, okay, this is the promoting LD Player. So when someone is going to click on a link, I'm going to make automatically money when they're gonna download what kind of like games that we have here. So we're gonna have the, okay, King of Avalon, State of Survival, and you can like easily find here plenty of games. For some countries you won't find any. So I can have also here for the region. So you need to really click around and find the best ones. It really depends also what kind of state the game is right now. Misty Continent, I can click on it and see like, okay, top price $2.6 per install. And now what I can do is I can go on YouTube and start creating videos about it. So I can start creating how to install Misty Continent Cursed Island. See, and this guy, Utility2, made a tutorial about it. So you see that this guy is completely making the strategy of actually like creating various tutorials on how you can download. Excuse me. And he's doing it in various languages, right? So even in English, in Spanish, and you can create those videos too. Now when you look on his like, okay, popularity, you see that he's making like 300k views monthly, which is goddamn great. And we look at the popular games here. When we look on the popular games, so look at this, how to play this game here, how to play this game here. And you can play, like you can make those videos too. And not only that you would make money from the affiliate, 300k views can give you like up to $500 to $1,000 in revenue. See, and this guy is using the LD Player, for example. And now I can see and find download link. He got directly the link here. Okay. And look at this. This is his affiliate right here. See? He got the campaign right here. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can make money with it, right? So you will be starting creating tutorials. That's what I think is the best way how you can make money with LD Trade. I mean LD Player. And of course, you can go to the affiliate here. And you can click promote the game. And I need to log in again to my affiliate account. But you're gonna promote the game, and that's pretty much it. So again, if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, like about regards the payouts, because plenty of people are afraid if they gonna get any payout at all. And I always say it's pretty simple. And you're always gonna find all the offers right here. But definitely click on the link down in the description. And I found like some of these where you have like so many of them. See MU Origin. And you can again promote the game. And then you can easily promote it and create tutorials on it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. And you can have also the materials if you want to use it for your website. And you need to directly also edit like all the information for payment. And when you're gonna fill it out, then you can easily get payment. But definitely use this link, and you can easily, when the people are going to click on it and they're going to download whatever game, like let's say an arcade game. So you can go to arcade or action game here, and I can click here and how to play on PC. See, this guy 4 weeks ago, he made a tutorial. And look at this. He got a link down below in the description. And this is what he's doing. He's just choosing a game and then making video. If you're gonna make better thumbnail, then you can easily make money on it. So how to play Standoff 2. Standoff 2 on PC. See, 1 year ago, 79,000 views. You can imagine how much money this guy is making. So yeah. That's pretty much it. Have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.